Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Game Assist and welcome to an Infinite Warfare video. Today we're going to be talking about the exploding drone and how to use it effectively. So first of all, what is the exploding drone? For those of you that don't know, it's like a C4 in a way because you can detonate it anytime before it makes contact with anything. But unlike the C4, it does not stick to surfaces. As a matter of fact, it's more of a floating device, and when you throw it or release it, it follows a straight path wherever you aimed it at until it hits a wall or an enemy. When I first used it, I found it kind of worthless because it doesn't target and it's simply just very hard to get any kills with it, and I feel that's probably the main reason it's not as popular as the other items and not many people are using it. But I think I've finally figured out a couple of ways in which you can use this item very effectively. Remember, if you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to drop a like. If you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing to not miss any of our gaming videos here on the channel. So, besides throwing this randomly and hoping to hit an enemy, let's talk about a few better ways to use this item. First of all, you can use it as a decoy. This is perhaps my favorite way to use it because you can throw it in a room before going in yourself. Usually when the enemy sees it, they will try to shoot at it or run away. Either way, they will give their position away, and if the explosion doesn't kill them, well, then you obviously now know where they are, and this is going to give you the advantage. Remember, you can also detonate this at any time you want, so if you know the enemy is right around the corner, you can utilize this similar to a C4. As I said before, this has multiple uses, and another one of my favorite ones is to use it to cover my back. More specifically, if I'm anticipating an enemy turning a corner, I can release the drone towards that corner and turn around, not having to worry that I turned too early and now I have my back right open to an enemy. Always try and aim the drone so it intersects a common motion path that players usually take. So knowing the map will definitely help when using this, because this way you won't be wasting your exploding drones, as I've done many times. And finally, the exploding drone comes in clutch many times in reloading situations when the enemy is chasing after me. Perhaps one of the most disappointing ways to die in Call of Duty is because of having to reload. So now you don't have to run away to reload. The exploding device actually buys you a couple of more seconds to reload. Once the enemy sees that the drone is coming straight at them, they usually back away, shoot at it, or sometimes they even run into it mistakenly. Either way, this has saved me many times, and it's really just clutch. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys for watching. This has been a video on how you can use the exploding drone in Infinite Warfare. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. This has been your Game Assist. I'll catch you guys later.